everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. Look at this cool vending machine I found, just packed with surprises. There's Mashems and Fashems. There's Kinder Chocolate Surprise Eggs. There's frozen surprise eggs. Oh, I'm so excited. And I just happen to have some quarters. What surprise would you like to get? I really hope I get a Kinder Egg. All right, let's get started. Here's 2 quarters. Let's put them in and see what surprise we get. And we got a Finding Dory Mashems. And it's Marlin. Oh, he's super squishy. Oh, I just love this vending machine. Let's see what else we get. 2 more quarters. And it's a frozen chocolate surprise egg. Here's the flyer. Oh, we got a troll. The experts on love. Very cool. Okay, let's see what's next. 2 coins. And it's a Littlest Pet Shop Fashems from Series 3. And it's Penny Ling. Next. Yay! A Kinder Surprise Egg, just what I wanted. Oh, it looks like a cool motorcycle. See the flyer. Yep. Look at that. That's awesome. Whee! Okay, let's see what we get next. 2 more coins. What do we have? A frozen Fashems. Awesome. From Series 1. And what do we get? Aw, we got Sven. He is such a cutie. And he loves carrots. last 2 quarters. Can't wait to see what my last surprise is going to be. Are you ready? It's another chocolate surprise egg. Aw, for Minnie Mouse. Flyer. Aww. And it's a Minnie Mouse bow hair tie holder. Ponytail holder. Oh, that's really cute. I love it. Oh, this vending machine is so cool. I can't wait to get some more quarters. Alright, that's it for surprises today. Thanks for watching Cam's Toy Box. And don't forget to come back for more prizes every day. I'll see you soon. Bye.